Everyone, welcome to Better Mod Flip It Challenge upcycling video sessions with Macintosh Africa. So today we are going to learn how to make a lotion case from bottle tops. So I'm going to show you how to make a lotion case from these Better Mod bottle tops, and you're going to tell me what else you can do with this. Okay, so what do you need? So we need a glue gun. It's a glue gun with silicone glue. You can get this from shopping malls. We need a hacksaw. We're going to do some cutting. And then we need the scissors. So these are 2 bucks from Gallons in Chalewate Waste. We need the scissors. We have the scissors here. And then we need the rubbing alcohol. Yeah, so we can start. Right. So first of all, you need to cut the bottle at the neck. Leave some allowance here. 2 bottles. You want to cut the bottle, you need a surface. You can put your hand on top of the bottle, make sure it doesn't move, and then just move the hacksaw up and down gently. And you have your cut bottle. Do that for the second bottle also. Gently. And you have your cut bottle. Now you can see the edges of the bottle are not smooth. This is where you use the scissors. Use the scissors to smoothen and level the edges. In this way. There you go. This can only be done with scissors. You do that for the second one also. Now what we are trying to do is to make a container that we can put lotion and other things inside. Now for every container, there's always one side you can open, there's always one side that is closed. So this is the bottle top, this is the head of the bottle. Now this has a thread, it allows you to lock it. So it means that we can open and close this side of the bottle. Now we need to seal off this other end. So we remove a second Better Mod bottle top, and then we see if it will fit, if it will sit and fit on the first one. Here you go. So you have your container, but we need to seal off this side permanently. So I open it, I close the side that can be opened, and then I want to put glue. You can use a shoemaker glue for this, you can use super glue for this, you can only use a silicone glue. This is hot glue, it dries immediately, it comes out. Now I want to seal off the side so that the liquid doesn't, or whatever I put inside doesn't leak out. So I pump the glue gun, and see how I'm holding the bottle. I'm holding it vertically, and I'm pumping the glue on the side of the bottle top, not at the bottom, because it's the side holes I want to seal off. So I'm pumping the glue on the side. So here I put this here and I press it, make sure all sides are closed properly, and then I hold it in this way for a couple of seconds, for like 2 minutes, and then to dry. Then you have your container. Now you can use any size of bottle tops and bottlenecks for this, depending on what you want to use it for. You can get bigger containers from bottle tops. So apart from putting lotions in this, you could put little things like jewelry, you could put lip balm, you could put any other thing that can fit in this, and it can fit in your bag, it can fit in your backpack, it can fit in your purse, it can be on your table, and you could use it in any way or any form. So let's see if our lotion case is ready. Okay, whilst we wait for it to dry, let me walk you through the process again. So you need 2 Better Mods, bottles. Cut the bottle top at the neck, leave some allowance, and then use a hacksaw to cut it, and then use the scissors to trim the edges to make it level. And then you open the part that can be opened and closed, you leave it, and then you seal off the other portion with the silicone glue. Now you're putting the glue at the side of the bottle cap, not at the bottom, so that you can seal off the holes at the edge, so that when you pour anything that is a bit liquid inside, it will not pour out. And then when you're done, you put the bottle top at the other end to see whether it will fit properly. If it doesn't fit, you trim it a bit more, then make sure it fits, then you remove it, and then you have your container. So let's see whether we have our container is sealed, and this is it. So here you are, we have our Betamalt lotion case. And what else do you think this can be used for? I want to find out from you. So this is McAfee Awuku from Macintosh Africa. On today's session of I am on the better side, the hashtags are I am on the better side and then flip it. This is part of the videos for the Betamalt Flip It challenge. Catch you next time on another session.